I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Alright, so this is my washroom, and today I'm going to start the process of organizing, decorating, setting up my washroom. Yesterday the man came and installed the shelves. I went ahead and took off the boards because, as you can see, the wall is messy, so I'm going to clean that up. I covered the machine and the wash tub, and this section over here is like a little hairdresser section, so I want to try and fix it up, organize it as best as possible. I took out the laundry stuff because I don't want anything to get messy, and I'm gonna start out this wall because moisture is killing me here. So yes, I bought my tools yesterday. I bought a roller sponge. I bought this plastic roller tray liner for paint, and I bought the what do you call it, the roller stick, yeah. And I bought a paint. This is a dusty gray, and I'm going to do an accent wall over here. I was trying to wonder if I want it over here or over here, but we're gonna do it over here, seeing that this is the main focus. I want to set up over here different, so yeah, that's what's up. The line here, no, I'm gonna start with the line different. I don't like it here anymore. What my space is thing, you know. So yeah. Okay guys, so I painted the walls. I don't remember what was the last thing I showed you guys. I think I showed you guys the paint. So I did my accent wall. This is dusty gray. I almost said ash gray because I was going to buy ash gray, but this is dusty gray. I know you see the lining, it's not straight and you know, but I'm going to do that after. I'm going to do that soon. So this is dusty gray, and as I had mentioned earlier on in the video, the shelves were installed yesterday. So I had them installed before I did the painting. So I went ahead and I touched up the paint over here on the wall. It was originally painted with low sheen paint, but I don't have any low sheen paint, so I painted it with some flat white paint. So I still have the machine and the tub covered and the rest of things over here. I painted this side as well. So what I'm gonna do next is kind of install back the shelves. I want to start out the lines to make sure the gray is not coming too far, the white is, you know, kind of make it kind of have like a routine thing, organized thing, because I don't want it to be too tacky, full of paint, bad. And we still have the paint here. I'm just waiting on it to kind of dry a bit so I can see where and where was not covered properly. So I have a little part around here just to touch up, but I'm gonna do that soon. And I have a little few part like where the gray here to touch up to as well, but I'll do that soon too as well, right? So yeah, the next step is to let it dry to see what and what is going on, what and what is missing, install back the shelves, the board for the shelves, because it's only the hooks that are up now. I got these shelves, let me show you. It comes with like this, yeah, and you just push it on and those. So I bought these in Rapid. They're $1,000.56 something, so 1,056 something for one, and that's really cheap. It's not bad. They're the same shelves that I have in the kitchen. So I had bought my organizing thing. I bought two, but I used one in the fridge, so tomorrow I'm gonna go get some more. Currently in the process of watching some laundry organization videos, so yeah. Alright guys, so I don't have everything now. I don't have everything right now, but I am going to basically am I in the lens? Am I not? Am I in the lens? I'm not even sure. So I don't have everything right now, but what I do have, I am going to utilize them, put them up. Tomorrow I'm going to get a few more things. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to install back the shelves, and then after that I'm going to proceed to like putting up the thing that I have now. Yeah, so right now I have this wash fold dry repeat sign. I think I bought this in the dollar store. Is it Dollar Tree, Dollarama? I don't remember, but I did bought it in the dollar store with the intention of knowing that I am going to use it because I wanted to do my washing with renovation for solar. So yeah, I'm about in the end. For what I have now, I want to show you the stuff that I have now. If you know me, I like when things are aesthetically pleasing. So like I have a lot of clear jars and I have my labels. I purchased this label. One of the dates is on it. If I could find a date, I'll tell you. I have these from last year, from probably when I just moved to this place, and I think I used 2 from it, and it came with some blank ones, and I wrote some stuff on it. But other than that, I haven't used any of them. I bought it specifically for the washroom. Yeah, because it has a whole heap of detergent sign. It has like the detergent sign, all of that. The color boosters, disinfectant, delicate laundry soap. It has a lot of other things too that is not even I guess washroom worthy, but I guess people store different things in their washrooms. So I have a whole heap of different things. So if you want to store your tape and your glue, it has starch, stain remover, soap, stainless steel, cleaner, tablecloth. So if you probably want to use your washroom as a storage too as well, and you want it to be organized, you keep your brushes, your candles, your bleach, your blankets, your bedding, all of those stuff. I think I would keep my bedding in here, but I would need like some more space to really put them up. This now, it has like any little extra, because you see extras, so if you want to store extra things, then that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to utilize those things that I need to utilize from this. Yeah. So I also have a plant. I bought 2 of these. To put my wash soap in, like the powder. But as you can see inside, it shows you that you can use it like in your fridge, like put your eggs in if you want. Oh, there's no eggs. Put your fruits. All I'm seeing is fruits, and you can leak out the water. But I'm gonna use this for my wash soap, the powder soap. For the liquid, I have glass bottle. I was wondering, can I put the bleach in a glass bottle? Will it break the glass bottle? I'm not sure. I was thinking, and I'm like, you know what? I might not. I might try to get a plastic bottle. I don't even know. I don't know if put the bleach in that. Is it safer to put the bleach in a glass bottle than a plastic bottle? Even recommend a plastic bottle, but you know, bleach oftentimes will explode the bottle, like not explode, but the bottle swell and whatever. So I don't know. I need to research that and then find out to see which bottle do I need to put the bleach in. I have this little organizer thing too that I'm gonna put what am I gonna put in that? Probably like my the soap, the cake soap. I don't even know. I don't know. Let me forget about anything in my washroom already, I guess. Yeah, so as I said, I don't have everything I want to use. So this video is gonna like be a 2-day video. Alright, so yeah. So we're gonna jump right into installing the shelves. You wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Okay, so as you can see, the shelves, they're up. The shelves are up. And so far, it looks so good. It looks good. It look good. Yes, it look good. Alright, so this part of the process is middle fast forward it. I'm gonna need to like really talk much. I'm gonna play around with, as well as I am going to go on Pinterest. I've been looking on Pinterest like to see what I can find. From morning I've been looking on Pinterest to see the different decors of how people decor their laundry room. So yeah, alright, so where you are doing yeah, so I guess let's have a look on Pinterest, see what's popping for different laundry rooms over there, because you know people decorate their laundry room like different, and I want mine to be really aesthetically pleasing. So I'm telling people decorating costs money, but like this thing that I bought, I saw them on Shein. This store in Ocho-Rios, it have all of the Shein stuff them. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was just $610. That's so cheap. I was like, whoa, this is unbelievable inexpensive. This is so nice. Look at the scent boosters and the OxiClean. I was gonna buy OxiClean today, I didn't, but I'm going to buy tomorrow. The laundry pads. I don't think I'm going to use laundry pads because I really don't use laundry pads in Jamaica. I have my Tide. Yeah, I'm trying to find a picture that really, you know, enhance the thing. I wish the sun could have go up there, so, but I feel like the black and the grey. I wish the sun could have go like up there, so. But I don't think the black and the grey is going to. So I'm going to put it probably over the white. There's white over here, so there's a lot of nice laundry room decor. Like, whoa, I can't wait to enhance my life to my own place, guys. Listen. Alright, people. Maybe I search to find something. I can't really find anything, so I'm going to work with what I have in mind until you probably find something. Because sometimes, you know, you fix something and then you get a chance to fix it back. You get like ideas and you go back, go shuffle things. So I might do that. So yeah, I bought this in Rapid Shoes Value. It was $9 something for this. Guys, you gotta be smart. So I'm putting it right there. Understand, so many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about. You are love. You're a positive. People don't do soap on a dash way. Oh my.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
How is it looking so far? I think it's looking. Beloved so far. But not even if that's really good because my record on the back camera and at least it's some TJ in my ears.
There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. Motivating force within my life.
So now I can't figure out where I'm going to put it. Or should I put it down? Should I put it down here? I think that works too. I think that works. In that order list, I'm gonna make sure I say the record because as I said I'm using the back camera. I think I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Cause I don't know where else because I need to get like one more of this to put like this the scent booster, and I want to put the OxyClean in. Yeah, I think I'll get another glass of to put the bleach in. If the bleach can't go in the glass bottle and not break it, I'll just add it right here because I don't really have a lot to add in here. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but I'm gonna label this one. That's. Do we call that laundry soap? Do we call the cake soap laundry soap? I need to label. No, I need to label the soap up there. I need to label the soap up there. However, I don't think the labels are going to hold on that thing because it has like it's not a smooth surface. I tried to do it with something else, but I'm going to try it. Laundry powder, that's how we call it. B, I can start do everything enough. Huh? Oh. The price is on the bottom. I don't know why they write the price on the thing, and the price is already inside on the paper. I'm gonna use alcohol and clean it off tomorrow, not today. I'm hungry and I soon time to get me dinner. It's like night time now, and today's Sunday. I feel like I'm gonna label the cake soap, them laundry soap, because motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me totally forgot that I have my clear bin. I have the clear bin for the clothespins. I'm in the know where me and I put it. I don't know where I'm going to put it. It's here. The other we should put it right here beside the flowers. I'm going to pull it up with the pin. I'll pull it up with the pin them and then see if it makes sense. You know what they don't have either? They don't have any sign for the pins. Like foreign people don't use clothespin. This is like a white detergent, delicate laundry soap, dark hard comforter, Agostino bathroom bags, battery, beach towel, baking soda, adhesive remover, stain remover, tile cleaner, this and that, stain, soap, starch, sponges, scrubs, tile cleaner. I don't see any. Oh, clothespins. I mean, I wonder if fine people don't use clothespins. I don't know where. Alright, so we'll find the clothespin people. Okay? Because I was just about to wonder if foreign people don't use clothespins.
You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need this love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. Friendships, you are love. You're the positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know, let me know, let me know.
Is here. I'm not sure. The sign Eveline. The sign lean people. The sign show you more than the people. So that's fine. The sign is learning. Alright, so as I had mentioned, I am going to get I'm going to get one more of this. One more of this to put my thing here in. To put it here. And glass bottle. I'm gonna put the sign now. Put the sign over here, so yeah.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All alone for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
Alright guys, so this is how the sign came out. Let me go back and show you what you guys think. I think the repeat is kind of too far down, but it's okay. I like it. Don't mind the background water. That's Odin taking a shower. I think there should have been a picture for the repeat. You have wash, fold, dry. I have picture. Where's the picture for the repeat? So far up there, so yeah, and I have this right here. So tomorrow we're gonna finish with the painting, lining up properly, get the next bottle for right there. Initially I wasn't gonna put the clothespins here, but it's the only place I feel fit to put it, and I'm gonna get the other thing to put right there. So tomorrow we're gonna do the full reveal and everything, and you know, I'm gonna leave everything here. See you guys tomorrow because I'm tired right now, so yeah. Alright guys, it's a new day. I went on the road and I got the final amount of things that I need to finish this video for you guys. So I got let me just show you a little haul before I go into all of that. So I wasn't going to buy any pads, but I bought this. I tend to buy my pads online or when I travel, because honestly pads in Jamaica, they're overpriced, and I won't lie. I paid $1,815 for this, and I am only getting 16 pads. I need to put in a purchase online. Alright, so I went in Rapid True Value, and there was like, I was something else, and I was like shopping around, and I saw this the hose for the washer, for the washing machine. The hose that came with it not good. I said the Chinese man never make the things them and they do. Okay. And I got this. I asked them if it does not work, can I take it back? But when I was looking on all the brands, all the other options, this was the cheapest brand. Yeah, not gonna lie. When I looked at other brands and so forth, all of them were basically the same size. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I like Downy. Downy is my brand. But I like try out new things. However, it's a long time I use a scent booster, and but I want to add it in my washroom. I'm not gonna lie, I don't time I use scent booster. Sometimes for me, I don't know, it's because we're drying the clothes online from the line and not like we use a dryer. I don't know if that's the reason why it really don't give the clothes any scent for me. But yeah, so I the entire Ulteriors just to find somewhere selling the Downy cheaper. I did not get anything cheaper, so I went back to Progressive and I resort to getting a brand that I've never used before. It's Powerhouse. You see them look different, but I've never used it before. So if you have used Powerhouse before and you like it, then. But what led me to buy this is the fact that I'm putting up a thing here. I'm gonna do one of that for scent boosters. Why am I going to put it here and there's no scent booster in it? So I bought 2. Yep. I got my Oxymaster to add in my jar over there. I bought some cleaning rags because I know oftentimes you're using the machine and water is getting out of the machine, so that's necessary. I don't normally have it, but we normally use we normally grab for the clothing that are unwashed and wipe it. I got surface cleaner for my washroom. Yeah, some other just regular Fabuloso that I used to clean. This is a crystal storage rack. So basically, what I'm going to use it to do, I'm going to use it to extend the shelf that I have. I bought one because I will be able to extend one shelf, and it will be this shelf because the clothespin pan is not going to be there anymore. So I'm going to add it on that shelf and put these under it. And I got more of this, one more of this. I got the laundry basket that I need, and I think that's about it. So I'm going to finish inside here. I have the drawer for the bleach. I decided to put it in the glass. Hopefully it does not break the glass. So I'm going to finish everything I need.
I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. You are love.
little bit too small. So right now, I don't know, never know. I'm kind of confused right now. So I throw it after me. I was thinking to throw it after mastering this. Yeah.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. Over, it's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving. In your mind, I know that you're hurting. That I'll be there, yes, I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
Guys, this is the finished look of my laundry room makeover. Let me know down in the comment section how you guys like it. Did I do a great job? What do you think? Do you have any ideas that could make it even more exciting, that every time I step in I feel as if I am in a new place? Listen, from where this room is coming from to where it is now, I enjoy stepping in this room every single time. This room is right beside my bathroom, and sometimes I just peek inside there before I even step to the bathroom, because as I said, you would have seen where this room, the state that it was in before to how it is looking now. And as you guys can see, I have my trays, everything that is just being organized. They are properly labeled. I have my machine turned a different way. The room is just so organized and intact with everything. I purchased 2 new baskets. Before, the laundry was just all over the place, overflowing all over the room, but now it is intact. I also bought this rug, and I think it just, you know, it completes the entire laundry room. So if you liked the finished outcome of this room, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in another vlog.